This is P.C.E.A current church. We are in April 2024. We want to have a chronology of what has been going on between April and December 2024. Keep watching, keep listening. We are here again. We want to have a very short interview with the clerk of works for this project, and we would want to know, what does a clerk of works do? Welcome. So tell us your name, please, and speak loudly.
Thank you. My name is Samson Rwade.
Samson Rwade.
Yeah, I'm the clerk of works for this project.
Yes.
It's a new project we are starting.
Yes.
And my role here is as a clerk of works.
Yes.
To oversee the work that the contractor is doing.
Yes.
And I'll be here to be the eyes of the client.
Yes.
To ensure that the work is done as per the drawings and as per the consultant's recommendation.
Yes.
And as per the requirement by the client.
Yes.
So I'll be here strictly to make sure that the work, whatever the picture that the client has
Yes.
in mind is achieved.
Yes.
And accomplished.
Yes.
So thank you and welcome.
This is the level we use for setting out. So you just use that level. You see, like I can see what is happening, and you back and translate the drawings. July 2024. This is August 2024. As you can see, the excavations are almost complete towards the end of August 2024. This is foundations, construction of the foundations. So we are at the second basement. We want to take you to where we already have some reinforcement in place. So let's see how the reinforcement is normally placed. That was September. Now we come to October 2024, and this is what was going on. The reinforcement was placed very carefully on the foundations, on the columns as well. As you can see, we are now in October 2024. As the year goes by, you see the progress as you keep watching. Now we go to November 2024. You can see that the retaining walls for the lower basement are in place, and the bases for the columns are ongoing. November 2024, and towards the end of November, the formwork for the upper basement was started, as you can see in that picture. Welcome back. We are back to the construction site at the sanctuary at the P.C.E.A current church, here for worship. So we want to meet with our clerk of works, Mr. Samson Rwade, who will tell us how far have they gone, what are the anticipated works between now and the time they close for Christmas, and what is it that we expect to see welcome the new year, January 2025. And therefore, right now I will go ahead and let us listen to him because he's the person on the ground. As you know, the clerk of works is the person who takes care of the client's interest. So every once in a while, we come to this site to update ourselves and also to be able to brief the stakeholders. It's very important to brief the stakeholders on how far we have gone. And therefore, I would now like us to pause for a moment and keep watching and listening to Mr. Samson, rather our clerk of works on site. Thank you. Keep watching and we'll keep telling you the progress.
Okay, thank you. This is how we are. This is the progress. We are now on the upper basement. That is basement 1. We have already done one basement, which is the second basement, which will be a parking. If you look at that side, you can see there is a staircase there. We have 2 staircases on the other side, which are taking us to the lower basement. We also have the lift here, which will also be used from the lower basement. So this is the upper basement. We are also going to have another floor here, which the upper floor will be the ground floor, which will be the sanctuary. And also we have the office side, which will go a bit further to 4th floor. So here, as you can see, we are doing the columns. We have already started casting the columns, and probably by the end of the week we'll be done with all the columns casting. We have also casted the lift, and at the same time we are also doing the retaining wall, for a retaining wall from the lower basement to the ground floor. As you can see, we have already done the enforcement work almost 90%, and we have also started formwork from the other side. So by the end of this month, or by the time we are going for Christmas, we will have already casted all the columns at the retaining wall up to where we have the lift towards that edge. But the other edge will be done next year. So that is the far we are, and we also have the ramp on that side where the vehicles will be entering the lower basement. We have not done the excavation yet, but the ramp will be coming from the far edge there, coming all the way to just next to the lift. We have the ramp, the entrance on that side. So thank you. Keep watching for more progress. Thank you.
On you a glorious morning.